Hi, I'm Chris Geary, the CEO of BSD Education, and I'm going to answer some questions today about EdTech. Being future ready, in my mind, outside of the digital skills, the technological skills, the social emotional skills that will be so critical to every young person in their future. Being future ready is understanding how those skill sets relate to you, what you love, what you're going to take on your lifelong journey of learning with you, and then how that makes you relate to other people. So how can you be the best possible part of the teams that you will work with in the